Want your Samsung phone to open PDF files with your favorite app instead of the current default? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the default PDF viewer using your phone settings in just a few simple steps. Start by opening any PDF file on your Samsung phone. Notice which app opens it automatically. It could be Google Drive, Adobe Acrobat, Samsung Notes, or another PDF viewer. This is the app you'll need to remove as the default. Step 1. Close the PDF file and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Apps. This section lets you manage all the applications installed on your Samsung device. Step 3. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the app that currently opens your PDF files by default. Tap on the app to open its settings. Step 4. Inside the app's information page, tap Set as Default. Then tap Clear Defaults. This removes the app as your automatic PDF viewer but doesn't uninstall or delete it. Step 5. Now open any PDF file again using the Files app, downloads, email, or another location. Since the previous default has been cleared, Android will ask which app you want to use. Step 6. Select your preferred PDF viewer from the list. If you wanted to open every PDF automatically, tap Always instead of just once. You're all set. Enjoy opening PDFs with your preferred app and subscribe for more easy Samsung tutorials and tech updates.